In this video, we'll be telling about how to change your profile name in Facebook. For this, first what we need to do is open Facebook. After opening Facebook, above you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option, privacy shortcuts. Click on privacy shortcuts. When you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Scroll down. Here you can see one option, update your personal information. Click on update your personal information. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here first you can see one option, name. Click on name. When you are clicking on that, you will reach this page. Here you can see first name, middle name and last name. If you want to change your first name, middle name or last name, just click on that and you can change this name. And after entering your new name, down here you can see review change. Click on review change. When you are clicking on that, it will be submitted for changing your name. And one thing you should keep in mind is that every name will not be approved. Sometimes if it is not looking like a name, they will not approve it. If you are entering your original name, it will be approved easily. And one more thing you should keep in mind is that if you are changing your profile name, only after 60 days, you can again change this profile name. Anyways, this way you can easily change your profile name in Facebook. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.